Too much rain over paradise. Rain over paradise.
You can see it.
Come on. I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black. My stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it crack to the kids, who the hell cares? One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First ship them dope, let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brothers, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. And that's how it's supposed to be. How can you dare to take a brother if he's close to me?
Oh, yeah.
I'd love to go back to where we played as kids, but things change. That's the way it is. Come on, come on.
That's just the way it is.
Change.
Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is.